Hi everyone, today we're going to go through how to use Dext. So there's 4 things you want to remember when using Dext. Number 1, you want to do it at the point of transaction. Number 2, you always want to ask for a copy of the receipt. Number 3, you want to put in a brief description if necessary. And number 4, make sure it's processing before closing out of the app. But using Dext is very quick and easy, so follow me, let's do a live example. Okay, so in today's example, I'm going to get some coffees and take it back to the office for our staff members. So we've got a copy of our receipt here, so let's go through how to upload to Dext. We're going to get our phones and open up the mobile app Dext. We're then going to click on this green plus button here. Now make sure you get a clear and focused photo of the receipt, and then you want to scroll down and put in a description. So 90% of the time you won't need to put a description because it'll be self-explanatory what you're buying. But food and drink are one of the most difficult purchases for our accountants to allocate because it could fall under 3 main categories. So if you've met a client out for lunch, that would fall under entertainment. If you've gone away for a business trip, say to Sydney, and you purchased some food, that would fall under travel. And if you're doing what we're doing here today, you got some staff coffee and you brought it back to the office, that would be in-house. So we're going to go to the description. We're going to write in-house. And we could even put in there staff coffee. Click done. Scroll down and click submit. So you can see it's sitting as uploading. Make sure it's fully uploaded before you close out of the app, and it says extracting when it's done. But that's it. That's how to Dext. No need to keep a hold of these receipts anymore. We can just put them in the bin.